In just a matter of days, Californians will be permitted to jaywalk within reason without running the risk of a hefty fine. CBS 8's Richard Allen explains the limits of this new law and why some are not on board with these new rules of the road.
Well, that's right. Starting January 1st, the Freedom to Walk Act, as it's called, officially goes into law, allowing pedestrians here in California to jaywalk without fear of a ticket as long as it's safe.
I really don't feel like it's an issue.
Not safer. Definitely not safer.
While some San Diegans are split on the move, dashing across the street without the help of a crosswalk will no longer be grounds for a costly citation, providing there's not an immediate danger of collision.
Honestly, I'm for it.
Hillcrest residents Corey Frazier and Michelle Perez say there's no need to criminalize jaywalking as long as pedestrians use common sense.
Most people jaywalk anyways, as long as it's not a super busy street, there's not a lot going on. I don't think there's too many hazards that are involved with that.
I think the issue is fast drivers as compared to pedestrians. If you're going the speed limit, you shouldn't be able to hit anyone.
Leslie Mendez, though, says she has a different take on this new law from behind the wheel.
It's good for pedestrians, bad for those driving. Because when I drive and people just cross in front of me, it's bad.
Everybody has a freedom to walk across the street without being worried about being cited or being stopped.
Assemblymember Phil Ting authored this new law, pointing out that communities of color are disproportionately cited for jaywalking compared to the overall population.
African Americans in San Diego were 4.3 times more likely to be cited for jaywalking.
According to data provided by San Diego police, African Americans represented 16% of all San Diego jaywalking citations issued between January 2015 and June 2021, despite being only 6% of the city's population. The California Sheriff's Association has vehemently opposed this new legislation, saying, quote, limiting enforcement of California's laws that are designed to avoid traffic collisions and improve the safety of all who use our roadways will only exacerbate the existing problem. But Little Italy resident Enrique Valdez does not see it that way.
As long as you're smart about it, you look right, you look left, you know what I mean? I don't see there being an issue with jaywalking being legal now.
And for more information on the Freedom to Walk Act, along with other new laws going into effect the first of the year, just go to our website, cbs8.com.